Having fun over there, Stuff? What you got, Jared? Show me something.
Oh, there he is.
Don't reel. Okay, hold on a second. Go ahead.
Make him jump.
Make him jump. Make him dance.
There you go.
Nice. Hold on a second. Let me catch up and I'm going to get you underwater.
Pretty big. I don't know if I want to lose him.
Nice.
Another 1.5, 2 pounder. Ta-da-da!
Good fish. Wow, that's a big one.
Yep. Another one is bigger than this. Give some slack.
Yeah, buddy.
I didn't even hook him in. I hook him in like the skin. Next one I'll let go